Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Kaws figure titled Gone. This is the most recent one. I just got it in the mail, so let's check it out. I've already taken it out of the box, and my first impression, huge. This thing is massive. I mean, look at the size of this thing. Of course, I got the brown colorway. They also had the typical all black and the gray one, but I always get the brown because that's my favorite. And again, let's look at this. Kaws Gone on the front with the sketch there. This is made by Medicom, Kaws 19 for ages 15 and up. So let's take it out of the bag and open it right away. Check it out. So this box is pretty much the same as the box that the Clean Slate and Along the Way figures came in, which is textured. I don't know if you can see there, but it's textured. You can kind of see the X's on the box. It's pretty cool. And then the sketch, decent weight. I mean, it's not too heavy. I was expecting it to be heavier for its size, but to be honest, the Clean Slate felt heavier than this. I haven't opened it, so let's check it out. On the back, same thing. Sticker of authenticity and the colorway. It says brown on the bottom and all that. So let's check it out. Styrofoam protection. Ooh, okay. And again, that vinyl smell that I always talk about. There it is, guys. It's just inside of a bag, more plastic. And then it has like these little foamy things to protect it from scratching. And looks like it's one piece. And yep, it's just one piece. All right, okay, so this is a decent size. I like it. Wow, this is my first time looking at it. As usual, I like to unbox it for the first time with you guys. So here it is, Gone, the brown colorway. Take the little duties off. And here, all right, so here it is. Oh man, this is awesome. This is, I want to say it's about 16 inches tall. It's a pretty good, wow, I mean, the amount of detail. I feel like I keep saying this on every video, but that's why I like these things so much. Check it out. It looks so detailed. The eyes on this guy. The X's on the feet, of course. Wow. Check out the back. Wow. I mean, there's not really much to say about it. I just wanted to show you guys and have you guys look at it. And yeah, that's really about it. This is a fixed figure. This doesn't move. The hands on this guy do not move, and the feet do not move either. The arms on the companion do not move, and the head, oh, the head does kind of turn a little bit. So that's cool. The feet are fixed, and same as usual. Medicom toy, China, Kaws Gone. Kaws 19, and then it says Gone. So yeah, guys, this is it. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos, and if you'd like to see an apartment tour where I do an updated collection video of or review video of my collection, I've always I think I've gotten most of the recent releases, so if you'd like to check those out, I know I have some behind me, but I've got a bunch more. So if you want to see an updated review of my collection, let me know in the comments and I'll be showing you. Alright guys, thank you for watching.